Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Sal over at HappyPennyStocks.com. Please sign up for my newsletter. Go to HappyPennyStocks.com, SuperSonicStocks.com. They both lead you to the same place, HappyPennyStocks.com. Sign up for my newsletter. Sign it up right now. I want to talk about penny stock promoting, folks. But before I want to get into penny stock promoting, I want to talk about how penny stock investing has changed. The landscape has really changed. People are a lot more cynical. People don't really have that twinkle in their eye, I guess I'm used to seeing from a lot of people when it comes to penny stock investing. And that is due to quite a number of things. It could be the changes that OTC markets have made. It could be, Tim Sykes and his constant preaching that penny stocks are, dangerous, don't invest in them, they're scams, blah, blah, blah. It could be the fact that it's summer and investing in the penny stock market as a category, these subprime, sub-zero stocks, during June to September, the market does have a tendency to slow down. And you can, compare that to last year at this time. You always have, a couple stocks here and there that are outliers and gain momentum on their own, but for the most part, as a category, it does seem to kind of slow down. But here's what I think the biggest reason for that is. And to me, it's people cannot stand the volatility. They can't deal with how fast these stocks decrease in price. See, the normal average penny stock investor, they have a job. They have somewhere they have to be at 9:30, somewhere where they're already at 9:30. They don't have time to sit in front of their computer and watch the stock. They already know that stocks are volatile. They know that. They know they can lose money. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about they don't have the heart anymore to watch a stock go from 1 to 4, a penny to 4 cents, put an order in, go to work, and then come back home and the stock is trading at 2 cents. People are like, what the fuck? This stock was just trading at 4 cents yesterday. So what happens is we're just burning people, That's what a lot of promoters, we're just burning people. You know why? Because we're not promoting, and I've been guilty of this. We're not promoting good, fundamentally sound companies. Companies with good products, companies that have a following, companies that have ongoing, legitimate operations, and that have stability in their stock price. We haven't been doing that. We haven't been doing that. And we still have a lot of promoters out there who, they're Twitter promoters. And people still believe these people. They're taking financial advice from somebody they've never seen before. And they're perfectly cool with that. But those days are dying. Those days are dying. I've watched the promotions. I've seen them. I've seen people start promotions and they're up 3-5%, 47%. They think that's a great day. 47%. You think that's good? You think that's for an opening day? 47%. That's good. Your average investor is putting in what, $100, $50, maybe $300. Maybe you have 1,000 or 1,100. 47%. This is penny stocks. You need 100 or more because you're not playing with a lot of money. So you need to hit it big on day one. I'm talking 100% or more on day one. You need to hit that. But we can start putting up those kind of numbers with more legitimate companies. We can. We've got to step up the quality. And you're going to start seeing the quantity of investors return to penny stock investing. That's not saying that you can't promote a sub-zero stock. You can do that. Again, if it's a legitimate company, all right, with legitimate operations, that maybe, look, you know, CTTG, legitimate company, legitimate operations, just nobody had ever heard of the damn company. CFGX, legitimate company, nobody have ever heard about the damn thing. So yes, you can put USEI, legitimate company, nobody have ever heard of it. Air Trona, legitimate company, nobody had ever heard of it. Psychic Friends Network, legitimate company, nobody had ever heard of that motherfucking thing in years. Anyway, this is just, I wanted just to talk about the penny stock market, where it is right now. Penny stock promoting is basically network marketing for stocks. You know, that's all it is. It's network marketing for stocks. That's all it is. Some guys do it very well. Some guys don't do it well at all. Some guys think they can just do it on Twitter and a couple groups on Facebook, and you know, and not show their, you know, and trust me, those guys probably are working somewhere at McDonald's or something, and they're just not telling you that. Or some guys can show their face because this is how they make a living. Anyway, this is Sal over at HappyPennyStocks.com. Just want to make a quick video. That's all I wanted to say, guys. I'm not sure how much if I went over my time or not, but if anything, take care. Have a great night.